Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna talk about my weekly home routines. These are routines that I do every day for just a few minutes a day to ensure that my house and my home is running smoothly and is as clean as possible. So on Mondays I always wash my sheets. I do ours, my husband's and mine, and then my kids strip their bed and change their own sheets, and then I just wash them all together. So this is done every single Monday. And at some point during the day on Mondays, I tidy up my desk. This desk is located in my basement, right by my the kids' playroom, with the daycare playroom. So it's quite easy for me just to tidy up while they're playing. So this is important because I make such a big mess throughout the week, so I like to have it clean. After dinner on Mondays and Wednesdays, my children usually vacuum. This time I was vacuuming just so I can show you, but this is their chore. They vacuum up the house. Now actually this is done every single day. The vacuuming, the quick floor wash is done on Mondays and Wednesdays, as well as quick dusting. On Tuesdays, I do any type of outdoor garden work that needs to be done. In this case, I was replacing my plants, but it's from de-weeding, from trimming plants, to sweeping the porch, the sidewalk, cleaning my back in a backyard, whatever needs to be done. Again, de-weeding, sweeping up my deck patio. On Wednesdays, it's day before garbage day, so I like to go all over the house and pick up all the garbage. My husband's in charge of taking the garbage out on Thursday mornings, but I like to take all the garbage out of the house on that day. As well, on that day, I'd like to give a fridge a good tidy up, not a deep clean, just get rid of anything that's past due, smelly, whatever. Sometimes leftovers are there, condensed things, like if I have opened two of the same dressing, put it all together, and then just give a fridge a good wipe down, just with an EnviroCloth, Norwex EnviroCloth, and water. This is not a deep clean. This is what I just do to make sure that the fridge is as tidy as possible. As well, again, we do, like I said, vacuuming every day, but on Mondays and Wednesdays, give a floor a quick wash just with the Norwex mop. I do this in a kitchen, dinette, family room, and then hallway and a bathroom downstairs. As well as I do a quick dusting of the TV and the TV stand. On Thursdays, I do my menu planning and meal planning, as well as a grocery list, and I also dust everywhere, downstairs and upstairs. All the surfaces need to be dusted. On Friday is my deep cleaning day for kitchen and bathrooms. So this is, and also is my floor washing day, or floor cleaning day. And then on Saturday mornings, I do my groceries, and then the rest of the day I leave for family time or projects or if outings, whatnot. Anything that if my kids go out and hang out with friends, I usually find some projects to work on. Otherwise, we spend time together. And on Sundays, I clean out my car as well as my purse. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my channel, I would love for you to subscribe, and if you did, thank you so much, and if you're returning, well, welcome again, and so glad you decided to watch my video again. So until next time, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.